Have you ever wondered why people look different, speak different languages, and come from different places? Today, we're going to discover something amazing that Allah teaches us in the Quran. In Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 13, Allah tells us something beautiful. He says that all people come from the same beginning, but He made us into different nations and tribes so we can learn from each other. The best person isn't the one who looks a certain way or comes from a certain place. The best person is the one who is kind and does good deeds. Let me tell you about 3 children who learned this lesson. Maya loved drawing, Ahmed was great at soccer, and Lily knew everything about animals. They all went to the same school but never talked to each other because they thought they were too different. One day, their teacher gave them a project to work on together. At first, they felt shy and unsure. But as they started sharing their ideas, something magical happened. Maya drew beautiful pictures. Ahmed organized their presentation like a team captain, and Lily taught them facts that amazed everyone. They realized that their differences made them stronger together. Then their teacher reminded them of Allah's words in Surah Al-Hujurat. She explained that Allah created all of us from one family, and our different colors, languages, and talents are gifts to share. What matters most to Allah is how we treat each other with kindness and respect. From that day on, Maya, Ahmed, and Lily became best friends. They learned that being different is beautiful, and being kind is what truly matters. So here's your mission. Find someone different from you this week and be their friend. Share your kindness, learn their story, and remember that we're all part of one big human family. Will you accept this challenge?